everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you that why the Lady Justice is having the open eye now. Earlier it was the version that it was portrayed with a blindfold over her eyes. Now the statue of Lady Justice has been redesigned to reflect a modernized version of justice in India. This move was led by Chief Justice of India DY Chandrachud, who emphasized that the law is not blind. It sees everyone equal. The new statue, however, has open eyes, symbolizing that justice is no longer blind. And do you know, it is installed in the judge's library, and it stands as a symbol of the judiciary's commitment to the modern perspective. This change reflects that the Indian judiciary evolving identity, one that no longer relies on colonial symbols to represent justice. The blindfold has come off of a new Lady of Justice statue in the Supreme Court, and the Constitution has replaced the sword in one of its hands to send a message that the law is not blind in the country, and nor does it symbolize punishment. The blindfold was meant to represent equality before the law. It implies that the court cannot see the wealth, the power, or other markers of status of those that appear before it, while the sword symbolized authority and the power to punish injustice. The scales of justice in the right hand have been retained as they represent balance in the society, and the idea that facts and arguments by both sides are weighed by courts before they arrive at a conclusion. With the infusion in image in the statue, we can look forward for a speedy, quicker, and equal justice to each one and everyone. I hope this change will bring justice for each one and everyone in India and even outside. Thank you very much. If you like this, please share, subscribe, and do press the like button. Thank you. Have a good day.